This story is brought to you by the Health and Homeopathy podcast.
When I first discovered Joette, my first guinea pig was my youngest son, David. He ended up texting my husband because he was still under our insurance, and he wanted to know our health insurance information. So, of course, I was rattled and immediately called him and wanted to know what was going on. And he says, "Oh, Mom, it's not an emergency. But do you remember when I sprained my ankle?" He had sprained his ankle 13 months prior, skateboarding, which I told him absolutely don't ever do because you are my child and I have very bad ankles. I've always had bad joints. I have rolled each of my ankles at least 4 times each over my lifetime very easily. So I knew that he shouldn't be doing what he did. He did it anyway. His sprain was so bad that he was on crutches for about 6 weeks. And so now fast forward 13 months later, at which point I had only been into homeopathy maybe 3 months or so. And so one of the things that I had picked up and stored away was a protocol on sprained ankles. So I said, "Well, son, why didn't you tell me? Because I do tend to be the family doctor." He says, "Well, I didn't think you could fix that." I said, "I never know what I can fix until I try, So I went and got in the remedies. He came over. I've got 4 children. 2 of them are very good about taking what I tell them to. My oldest is a work in process, but he's starting to come around. Anyway, I gave him the protocol. I said, "I have no idea if this works, how long it takes if it does work, but here's what you do. Be diligent." He says, "Well, while we're at it, what do you have for allergies, seasonal allergies?" I said, "Oh, I have one for that, but let's wait until let's get your ankle out of the way." So fast forward 5.5 weeks, and he texted me and he says, "Mom, I really got to start on the allergy stuff because spring had arrived." I said, "I know, but let's get your ankle dealt with." And he says, "Mom, my ankle's done. 5.5 weeks after 13 months in pain." And I'm going, "What?" He says, so I start questioning. "No swelling? No. No achiness? No pain? No." And I just kept asking. He says, "Mom, it's like it never happened." It just erased the whole incident. He's been off of it for 3-4 years now, and his ankle is perfectly fine.
Be sure to like and subscribe, and share this story with someone who needs the healing power of homeopathy.